You asked, do I need council permits for my solar installation?
In some instances, you will need council involvement, but in the majority of cases, solar panel installations will not need a council development approval. And the reason is that solar panels in most local government areas in the whole of Australia will be seen as what's called complying development. Now, complying development items are things like fences, pergolas, awnings, etc. And they're allowed to be added to the house without council permission as long as they follow certain guidelines. Many councils nowadays want to support renewable energy, so they're not going to put a lot of bureaucracy in the place. If you would like to have the panels installed, you will need to ensure that the solar installation company follows the following general requirements. The solar system is flush or parallel with the surface of the roof, or it's integrated into the building, and this means your panels have been installed not, for example, to hang over the gutter or hang over the top of the building. They're actually within that roof footprint. If they would hang over the gutter, then obviously the water gets onto the panel, runs onto your walkway or even over to the neighbor's gardens. Now, the solar installation is also not a reason to illegally remove any trees around the house, cut them all down. Oh, I wanted to get solar. No, that's not on.
Well, at least it's not on the roof.
If your home that is listed heritage item or is located within a heritage conservation area, you will need to see the council before the commencement of the installation. Now, your installer, if he's a local guy, he would probably know which ones are the heritage areas and he might give you very good advice. But in those cases, you would need to fill out a DA, which is a short form for a development application, and that DA approval process can take maybe 40 days, sometimes quite a bit quicker. The installation has to fit within the structural integrity of the house, so you can't put on a very flimsy roof solar panels without strengthening the roof. This happens sometimes in the case of commercial installations. So to summarize, you generally do not need approval from council except if your house is in a heritage area. In those cases, we strongly advise you see the local council first before you proceed with the installation.
Want more Energy Answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.